The Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a review about the iPhone 14 Pro Max for Verizon Prepaid. So currently the iPhone 14 Pro Max at Verizon Prepaid is currently out of stock. No storage options are available, no color options are available currently as of this video recording. So do keep that in mind. Hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully that all color options will be available and all storage options will be available. Alright. So yes, you guys have 4 colors to choose from here. You guys have silver, gold, space black, and deep purple color options there. 4 storage options, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte of storage. So the 128 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro Max is $10.99, 256 gigs, $11.99, 512 gigs, $13.99.99, 1 terabyte, $15.99.99. Alright, so that's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It looks like the iPhone 13 Pro Max from last year, but you guys will notice it has a pill-shaped cutout there on the front for the dynamic island feature, which is pretty cool. So there's the front there, back, triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo and whatnot. Yeah, there's the front. Right side power button. There's a closer look at the triple cameras on the back along with the camera flash, front and back. There it is in the full colors there. And there's the MagSafe accessories and stuff like that for like wireless charging and stuff like that. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 48 megapixel main camera, 24mm f1.78 aperture, second generation sensor shift optical image stabilization, 7-element lens, 100% focus pixel camera, 3.5 inches width, 6.33 inches height. iPhone 14 Pro Max capture incredibly detailed with a 48 megapixel main camera, expands iPhone in a whole new way with dynamic island and always on display, and get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Beauty that built to last. Always on display, the info you want, adding glance, surgically grade stainless steel, water and dust resistance, ceramic shield, tougher than any smartphone glass. Meet the reimagined face of iPhone, dynamic island, bubbles up, music, sports scores, FaceTime, and so much more, all without taking you away from what you're doing. Vital safety features you will hopefully never need, but if you do need them, they're there. So that's nice. Emergency SOS via satellite lets you text with emergency services when you're off the grid. With crash detection, iPhone 14 Pro Max can detect a severe car crash and call 911 when you can't. The Pro camera system gets massively more pro. 48 megapixel main camera with an advanced quad pixel sensor, up to 4 times the resolution for jaw-dropping cropping, much more detail and much less light. Hollywood features for your films. Cinematic mode, starring 4K HDR at 24 frames per second, the film industry standard. Action mode, take smooth handheld videos, no gimbal required. Super fast, super efficient. A16 Bionic. The ultimate smartphone chip, faster 6-core CPU, handles demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently. Advanced ISP powers the creative flexibility of the quad pixel sensor, up to 29 hours of video playback on iPhone 14 Pro Max. Alright. Specs, of course, it has 4G, has global roaming network, world device which works in over 200 countries depending on your plan, It has for 5G nationwide. It also has 5G ultra wideband as well. FCC-ID, Wi-Fi, yes. Video playback up to 29 hours. Stream up to 25 hours. So that's kind of confusing. Audio playback up to 95 hours. Rear camera 24mm f1.78 aperture, second generation sensor shift, optical image stabilization, 7-element lens, 100% focus pixels. Screen type Super Retina XDR. Screen size 6.7 inches. Diagonal all-screen OLED display, which is nice. Resolution 2796 by 1290 pixels at 460 ppi. 48 megapixel main camera. Built-in lithium rechargeable battery. Color space black, silver, gold, deep purple color options. Depth 0.31 inches. Height 6.33 inches. Weight that is 8.47 ounces as the weight. Width 3.5 inches width. iOS 16 on board. Storage 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte of storage options. That's nice. If you guys need help with your Verizon iPhone 14 Pro Max, Verizon has you covered with device support. It says here Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your iPhone 14 Pro Max with iOS 16, USB-C to Lightning cable, documentation, and that is it. There is no charging brick in the box. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It is currently not in stock right now as it is video recording. No color options are available, no storage options are available right now, so that sucks. However, when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully all colors and storage options will be available to be purchased. So if you guys want like the top of the line iPhone for this year, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the phone for you guys to check out. Very nice looking phone. The dynamic island feature is very cool. So yeah, there you guys have it. iPhone 14 Pro Max now available at Verizon Prepaid, even though it's not in stock right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.